Hello everyone, my name is Hel and I study at Lancers International School. I have chosen, in my PYB exhibition, I have chosen SDG 13, climate change, to take action. This is a global problem and I think that if we take small steps, it may lead to a big one, which will save the earth and make me successful with my action. My theory theme is sharing the planet. My central idea is climate change has different consequences on our environment, affecting the actions and lives of people. My three LOIs are different forms of climate change, the connection between carbon emission and carbon footprint, and the responsibility of people to lower their carbon emission. Please view my website to know more about my essential elements and more about my LOIs. Now that I have made a booth, and let me show it. So I have put my title here, climate change. I have added a picture below it. At the right side of this booth, I have added my logo, and with the quote, "We are living on this planet as if we have another." And on the right side, I have put my picture. I've also put my artwork which I have made. Take a quick look at it. It is a before and after artwork. I've also added my essential elements, and I have also added my 6 stages: tuning in, finding out, sorting out, going further, making connections, and taking actions. I have written a brief about it. At this corner, I have added a plant. And at this corner, I have added a few pictures of me taking action. And in front, I have put my laptop showing my website. So, now let me tell a brief about my 6 stages. So, in tuning in, I conducted a survey and collected the data. In finding out, I did a lot of research and found out things which I never knew it ever existed. In sorting out, I sorted out the actions I can take. In going further, I went further and made a storybook. Go to my website and there you can click the button to view my storybook. Making connections. I made connections with all the subjects which made me know my SDG better than before. And now let me tell something about my taking action. I have taken action in 3 stages: personal, local, and global. In personal, I conducted a workshop with my family members, spreading awareness about climate change. At the end, I collected the feedback, and and the quiz I have taken, they answered all the questions correct, which means they learned something from our workshop. In local, I stick posters around the school, and the same posters I used to tell people about some steps about saving the earth from climate change. And when I told them these steps, they promised me to do their bit. As I said before, I chose this SDG because I think if we all take small steps, it may lead to a big one, which will save the earth. And now, going on to my last stage, which is global. In global, I have taken 2 interviews. One with Mr. Amit Kumar, who made a 38 acres forest in Delhi called Aranya, and my second interview was with Dr. Vandana Kalia, who is from the science department. She told about her actions at home and at office. I put these 2 interviews on YouTube, and I just hope people get inspired by their journeys. I've also put a TED talk on climate change, which I made and I've uploaded on YouTube. People have viewed it, and that tells me how many people are already aware of climate change. I I just hope my action made the earth a bit better than before. In this, I improved my thinking skills and researching skills. I also developed risk-taker skills and open-mindedness. At the end, I would like to say, as we all know about Ukraine and Russia, they both are engaged in a war. And life is at stake. People are either dying, either being killed, water, food, materials, money is wasted, unmeasurable carbon emission. At the end, in short, it is basically the exact opposite of these 17 SDG goals. I just hope this war ends in a harmonious solution ASAP. Thanks for watching and do not forget to view my website. Bye.